look at me, River, look at me. Take the hook. See a little flat part up there? Poke it right here. You only go down about that far. That's it. And then you take the worm and you poke it through like this. And then you slide it up the hook. And then you go boop, like that. And bam. And then you just take this bait and you just let it sink to the bottom and you just drag it. Trust me, you're going to catch a big one on this. When my catch is in the perfect spot. And just slowly crawl that, okay? I straightened that hook out. That's why that fish came off. I should have just boat flipped it and threw it back. Come on, hold on, give me a second. Sometimes they play silly. You're reeling. There you go, River reel. Here, hold on. Keep reeling. Keep reeling, River. Whoa.
It's okay,
Here,
little
River,
dude.
don't hold her off like
You
that.
know, little dude. Yay, good job.
Dude, what did I tell you just now? You're gonna catch something with that. I think we'll use Big Hoss. Same one you're using. You just kind of throw it in there and cast it through the grass. Shut up. No, you don't have one. Reel, River, you gotta reel. River, reel. You're gonna lose that fish. River, pick up on the rocks. Do you really have a fish? No, I think he's got grass.
Yeah.
Oh, jeez, he's got a good one.
Oh, he actually has one.
There, bring it this way. Keep reeling.
Good job, little buddy.
Hold on.
Good job, dude. Whoa! Whoa! You caught that
Open the
yourself!
bail.
Oh, yeah, little guy. You
Yeah.
caught one yourself.
River, look at that. What do you think about that, huh?
Yeah, little guy.
What do you think about that?
Okay, you have to hold it, River. That's a cast that you have to hold.
Yeah.
That's it back over there.
Well, here. Look at that one. That's a good one, dude.
River, oh my god, you rocked it.
Here.
Here,
Here, hold them.
What's Dad? Watch
Get a
it.
good grip. Turn around and look at the camera.
See, Dad, watch my line. Like,
Let me
what
get my,
happens if I